Welcome back to Tech Tip Thursday. This is number 4. Today we're going to talk about viewports and how to get viewports aligned. I'm sure a lot of you have probably had questions like, if I have two viewports, how can I get them to synchronize with each other, right with scale and exactly with the point that needs to go off to the second viewport. Then you can always move that viewport off to somebody else, but this would be where you would basically make a match line. But how do you get that to do automatically? And there's actually a command for that. The command is called VPSYNC. It's short for synchronized viewports, but you can find this on the Express tools. It's been around since about 2004, but you can just type it in. Like I said, VPSYNC is probably the quickest way without having to go to the Express tools. You will select the viewport you want to match from, and then you select the viewport you want to match to. And then when you hit enter, it basically matches them together. Then you can move the third one around. So I'm just going to go in AutoCAD here, and how about I just move this somewhere else. So it can be as far out, zoomed out. It doesn't even have to be angled correctly. It can be a different angle. Doesn't matter. But this is the viewport I want to match from, and this is the one I want to match to. So I'll just type in VPSYNC, and I will select viewport number 1, and then I'll select viewport number 2, and then I'll hit enter. And there we go. It's pretty much that easy. So, like I said, it's super quick, but now you can take this viewport here, and you can move it down your page or wherever you want, and then you can basically stretch it, move it, do whatever you want to do with it. But you have the exact match line from here to here. Hopefully this was a nice tip for you. Please subscribe to my channel.